Welcome to this installation of Postal Flight Academy. In this session, we get to review how to test Postal send flow with what we call Willy Wonka's golden ticket. This will apply to all roles in Postal such that you have the user permission granted. Only users in Postal can make an actual send. But with Willy Wonka's golden ticket, you can test out sending a postal to yourself and experience what that will be like for your intended recipients down the line. So what are we going to cover today? We're going to define what is Willy Wonka's golden ticket in the marketplace. We're going to review the ways to send a postal and why you might want to do so. These include a magic link, a personalized email, and a direct send. Now, it's really important that whenever you're making a send through Postal, you begin with the end in mind and discern, what do I want my recipient's experience to be when accepting this gift? So we get to comb through those today. So what in the world is Willy Wonka's golden ticket in Postal? This is a fake cost-free test item in our marketplace in Postal that allows you to practice making a send start to finish. And you can also send it to yourself to see what that recipient experience is going to be like without using any funds from your budget or actually sending an item out through your instance. So as you're getting used to Postal and making sends, this is the best way to test doing so. So let's dig on in. Magic link, personalized email, and direct send. So what is a magic link? A magic link is a way to allow your recipients to click a link or scan an associated QR code. There are other options for the magic link to redeem a gift from you. You're able to customize the link and determine how many redemptions are allowed, as well as how long the link is active. It's really easy to embed these anywhere because these are dynamic URLs. You can use them at an event with a QR code, either in person or virtual. The beauty of a magic link is that you're only charged when your recipient actually accepts the item from you. Here's how a magic link can look in the wild. On the left, you'll see a magic link embedded via URL in an email. A best practice for magic links in an email is to include a screenshot of the item you're trying to send. In this example, a gift kit called the Long Weekend. It will incentivize your recipient to click on the link and trust that the link actually takes them somewhere they want to go rather than somewhere ambiguous. On the right-hand side, you'll see a magic link embedded in a marketplace newsletter that we use here at Postal. So here are a few examples of a magic link in the wild. Now you can contextualize what is a link, a magic link, and what am I doing and why am I creating it for my intended recipients? Cool. Next step is a personalized email. You can only send out a gift via personalized email. Yep, that's right, in an email. The gift shows up in your recipient's inbox and allows them to accept or decline the gift from that email. You can customize the message on the landing page, in the email itself, as well as the subject line. Really good options for using a personalized email include one-to-one hyper-personalized gifts, re-engaging cold opportunities, or one-to-many larger marketing campaigns. We can talk further about this with your CSM directly. Note that in order to send out a personalized email and have that send delivered to your recipient's inbox accordingly, please ensure that you have your email integrated with Postal in your profile settings. Awesome. So a personalized email example here for you. You can see how the subject line populates in my inbox. You can also see how when you open it, the item pops up right here and allows the recipient to accept or decline. And then ultimately when hitting accept, that recipient is taken to a landing page to fill out ship to information to have that item shipped directly to them. In this example, this is a virtual fake gift, as you can see with the golden ticket. And so there's no shipping address required ultimately. Lastly, a direct send in Postal is sending an item directly to someone's doorstep. This can also be called surprise and delight. You must have an address on file in your contact record to be able to send out a direct send through Postal. When facilitating a direct send, quite often used internally for employee gifting or larger marketing campaigns as a first touch to an office, you must first select the item and then your intended recipient's contacts in postal. You get to decide if your recipients learn if that item is coming, turn on or off notifications of shipping and delivering. And you also can send as someone else, ultimately on like a note card or something that would come with it, as well as deciding what funds you're spending from. You're all set in beginning to send your first items in postal. Happy sending.